To withdraw USDT from SafePal wallet, start by opening the SafePal application on your mobile device and navigate to the Wallet tab. Here you will see a list of available cryptocurrencies, including USDT. First, ensure you have the latest version of the SafePal application to avoid any compatibility issues. Then, tap on the USDT option to access your USDT wallet. Next, click on the Send or Withdraw option to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. It is crucial to double-check the address to avoid sending your USDT to the wrong wallet. You can either manually enter the address or scan the recipient's QR code. After entering the address, specify the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Make sure to leave some USDT in your wallet for transaction fees. Then, review the transaction details, including the amount and the recipient's address. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. You will be asked to authenticate the transaction using your wallet password or biometric data. Once the transaction is confirmed, it will be processed on the blockchain. The processing time may vary depending on the network congestion and the fee you paid. To check the status of your transaction, go to the transaction history section of your SafePal wallet. It is also recommended to check the minimum withdrawal limit and any applicable fees before initiating the withdrawal process. Finally, always keep your SafePal wallet and mobile device secure to protect your USDT and other cryptocurrencies from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can safely and easily withdraw USDT from your SafePal wallet.